talk about a smile. But what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention.
Salam, eldet nachu with YouTube beteboche and kwan with the channel besalam metachu. Zare by this video temelish metichalu. Video when like sementargu amasegenalu. Lazy channel Addis yahon nachu. Please subscribe. Guys, I'm in Ethiopia. I'm so excited. I'm in Addis Ababa right now. I arrived Saturday morning, but I haven't vlogged since I arrived. Today's Monday, the 28th. The 28th of July, 2024. It rained this morning. I did some shopping, and now I'm going to have lunch at this restaurant called Gebeta. This restaurant across the streets. This is the entrance. I've been in Addis for 3 days now, and I must say that Ethiopia is very beautiful, and I'm really liking my stay so far. I noticed that if you buy things from the supermarket, the main supermarket where all the groceries and things are packaged and they have a brand on it, it's kind of expensive and you'll only get a few items. But if you go to like a market that you find on the roadside, then things are cheap. I got 0.5 kilograms of carrots and 0.5 kilograms of onions and 1 kilo of tomatoes for only 110 birr, which is very little. Good morning. It's 30th of July and I just arrived at Shiro Meda, which has all the traditional dresses, as you can see. So I'm going to explore the market and buy a dress. That is the goal for today. This is Addis. Ethiopia has shops that make leather material. You can get something tailor-made. straightened my hair so well. So the cornrows cost me 400 bir, washing, blow dry, and doing the cornrows. And straightening the wig cost me 300 bir. I'm currently inside this mall and there are over 50 shops. Guys, I forgot to bring and pack my got2b glue, my elastic band, my straightener, everything. So I've gone to about 4 different shops looking for got2b glue, or at least a small spray or a small glue, and the price is ridiculous. I went on TikTok and I found this hair shop. I just arrived at the location. It's in Golugul building. And here the ghost bond costs 900 bir. So I just got that and I'm ready to go home. I'm in this town, I don't know what it's called, but it has many shops like these everywhere on the streets for about maybe 1 or 2 kilometers. Good morning. Today is Thursday, the 1st of August, and today is also Swiss National Day. It's 9 a.m. and I just arrived at the Ethiopia National Museum. This is where there's a famous piece in here, I forgot the name, but I'll film this.
It is highly, valued, and it is very famous compared with the other discoveries that we do have.
There's so many things to learn in this museum. I'm finally alone in this room. This room has the robes of kings, princesses, high-rank military men. Turns out this throne here was a gift by the Indians, and it was actually taken and sent to Rome for a few years, several years ago, and returned in 1972. This Emperor Theodros II is the one who fought and created modern Ethiopia. Then after him came Emperor Johannes IV, and after him came Emperor Menelik II. I'm now on the 2nd floor, and there are many paintings and sculptures. This one is called Equality. All the tourists have gone to another tour, so I'm the only one here. This piece is called Development Through Cooperation. Glue on my wig just came off, so ignore my wig, but this is the entrance for Unity Park, and we're now going to buy the tickets. Unfortunately, these lions were asleep. This is Indigenous Gardens. And here, this is what's inside the woods. There's a Kategna restaurant here, And under this hut, you can make your own injera. This is the throne house. And in here, they used to throw banquets. Has been described as the 8th wonder of the world.
Yes.
Wow. And then the growth of Islam. Emperor Menelik II is the first one who introduced the first bank in Ethiopia, the Bank of Abyssinia, which is still working, and he established modern education for the benefits of his society. So he really worked to improve and develop Ethiopia. The conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Oh, okay, so this is where it comes from. There are several restaurants. If you want to come and visit, you can come and eat here. Lunch was amazing. I was so full after lunch. I came home, took a nap. Then initially I was supposed to go to Entoto Park with a friend, but the rain was too much, so we postponed that for next week. And after resting, I went to the supermarket. I got some salad, ginger, and some other house necessities. I'm back home now, and I'm going to wash my makeup brushes. They're so dirty. For tomorrow, I need to do my makeup for the wedding. I'm so excited, and yeah, I'm having a peaceful, calm Friday evening. I thought I was gonna have a calm night, but we're going out for dinner to this restaurant called Abyssinia cultural restaurant, and it's super popular. I think the dancing has already started. I just arrived at the Skylight Hotel. I'm so sad. I missed the bridal entrance and dance. But hopefully they'll do another special dance so I can see that. But I'm really happy to be here.
سمع حدير كاتي منه